Professional success without fulfillment, it's just failure. It's useless. That's why I created Success Booster book. Because many people focus too much on professional success. Like achieving more money, more success, more fame, more social status, and so on. But they do not focus on fulfillment. That's why my book is different. My book focuses on two systems. The first system, which is the emotional success system, will help you to achieve emotional fulfillment. I will explain more about emotional fulfillment in this video, and then also I will talk about the second system to help you boost your success, which is the financial success formula. So once you achieve emotional success, then you can go to the second system and look at ways how you can achieve financial successful. But there is no point to try to achieve financial success first and then go and try to achieve emotional success. Many books focus on success and only the part of financial success. But my book is different in a way that first I will give you the components, the strategies to help you develop and master your emotional success, which you're going to learn in this video. And then once you develop the strategies, the tools and systems to help you become emotionally successful, and then I will give you the second system to help you boost your success, which is the financial success formula. Okay? So make sure you watch this video until the end so you can learn how to truly boost your success in tough times. Welcome to Success Booster Academy. My name is Sam Fortes Oliveira. If you want to learn how to make more money, how to multiply it like a multimillionaire, and also how to make your income grow and use it to invest in income producing assets that will take your life to the next level, then make sure you subscribe to Success Booster Academy by hitting the button below, and then make sure you ring the notification bell so you can be notified when we launch amazing videos like this. Success Booster is divided into two systems. The first system is what I call emotional success system. In this system, I talk about 4 strategies to help you develop and become emotionally successful. And the key word is emotionally successful, because success, as I said, is not just about money, but also about mastering your emotions. If you can master your emotions around money, then you can master your money. So these 4 strategies are: the first one is what I call happiness love. When you become a happiness lover, you are able to attract people to your life. You are able to connect easily with people. You're able to build relationships that will take your career to the next level. The second strategy to develop and become emotionally successful is what I call health love. A health lover is someone who constantly looking after their physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional health. We all know that health is wealth. What's the point to be financially successful? You don't have health. So health is wealth. So remember again, the second strategy to become emotionally successful is to become a health lover. And then the third strategy to become emotionally successful is what I call work love. Work love is about your career, is about progressing your career, is about developing the skills, the strategies, the tools, and the habits to take your career to the next level, to 10x your career. And then the fourth strategy to develop emotional success or to become emotionally successful is what I call time love. Time love is about mastering your time, energy, and emotions around money. When you become a time lover, you use time in a way that is efficient to get more things done in less time, to create more in less time, to work on those tasks and also on those goals that will increase your income, influence, and also to make a difference in people's life. So that's the first strategy. So we are talking about simple systems you can use to boost your success. I said that the first system is what I call emotional success system. And this system is divided into four strategies. The first strategy is to become a happiness lover. And then the second strategy is to become what I call a health lover. And then the third strategy is what I call a work lover. And then the fourth strategy is to become a time lover. So that's what it takes to become emotionally successful in tough times. So the second system is to become financially successful. So if you want to become financially successful, then you must use this financial success formula. The financial success formula is divided into four strategies. The first strategy is what I call a spender mindset. A spender mindset is someone who spends the money in an intelligent way, in a smart way, who spends money in a strategic way. It's someone who spends the money wisely, not on liabilities, but on assets that will increase their income and make a difference. The second strategy to become financially successful in tough times is to develop what I call the saver mindset. So what is the saver mindset about? The saver mindset is about saving to invest. To invest in what? To invest in assets that will increase your income and wealth. I'm not talking just about to save, like many people do, which is to save the money in the bank and then they earn very low interest. I'm talking about saving your money for a while in the bank probably you can put the money into a high saving interest account, and then when you get the money needed, you can use this money to, for example, to buy a new house, a new asset. Okay, that's about the saver mindset. It's about saving to invest in assets that will increase your income and wealth. So that's the second strategy of the financial success formula. Now, the third strategy of the financial success formula is what I call the creator mindset. But what is the creator mindset? The creator mindset, which I also call the creative mindset, is someone who creates assets to make an income and also to influence other people, to make a difference. I'm talking about assets such as creating books, courses, ebooks, coaching programs, any program you can create to increase your income and also to make a difference in people's life. And then the fourth strategy you can use to increase your income and make a difference is what I call the investor mindset. The investor mindset is about investing your hard-earned money into assets that will increase your income again. I'm talking about income-producing assets, such as real estate, property investment, if you like. You can put the money into your business, and then when you invest in your money into the business, you're going to use part of the income from this business to invest into assets, real estate, lands, or any asset that will increase your income and wealth. So let's just do a quick recap, shall we? So the Success Booster system is divided into two systems. The first system is what I call emotional success system. The emotional success system is divided into 4 main strategies. The first strategy is what I call being a happiness lover. The second strategy is what I call a health lover. The third strategy is what I call a work lover. The fourth strategy is what I call time lover. So that's the 4 strategies to become what I call emotionally successful. Now, the second strategy of the Success Booster system, as I said, is what I call the financial success formula. This formula is divided into 4 strategies as well. The first strategy is what I call the spender mindset. The second strategy is what I call the saver mindset. The third strategy is what I call the creator mindset, or what I also call the creative mindset. And the fourth strategy is what I call the investor mindset. So I hope you use these systems to boost your income and wealth, and also to make a difference in people's life. If you want to learn more about Success Booster system and how you can use this system to increase your income, wealth, and also influence, or if you like to make a difference in people's life, make sure you get my new book on Amazon. See you soon.